So, alright guys, so today I will show you my time tracking system. How do I actually track every hour of each day and what's the benefits of time tracking, okay? So yeah, um, okay. So first you can see a calendar that I have been using. I use Google Calendar to track each hour every day, okay? So my calendar is connected to my Telegram bot, which I named Jarvis. So what I do every day is, let's say, what's the time right now? Okay, it's 2 p.m. Okay, so this hour I'm going to work from 2 p.m. to um 3 p.m. I will work on this video that I'm recording right now. Okay, I'll be recording this video, editing that, again uploading it on YouTube. Okay, so I will be recording, right? This is what I do end of each hour, but for this video I'm doing start of the hour. Okay, so yeah, you can see I said P recording, that means productivity, and I'm the subject that I'm working on recording this video. So yeah, you can see it has created entry automatically. Then my productivity total hour that I've worked will be updated. It's 3 hours. Before that, it was only 2 hours. So it happens automatically. Okay. Oh, you add lunch, dinner, and breakfast in miscellaneous. Yeah, for me, miscellaneous means things which I have to do to maintain. Okay. And for P is like things that moves the needle every day. Okay, so I hope that makes sense to you guys. So this is my time tracking sheet, by the way. uh, this is I can see how many hours I have worked each day, and also this total. So last week I worked 48 hours, which means 7 hours average, which is okay, but my bare minimum is 60. So that means 10 hours every day and 1 day rest. So it's 60. My benchmark is 60. You can say this week I work 48 hours, which is below the benchmark. It calculates, okay, if it is lesser or if okay. So when you look at my Google Calendar, it looked like that I have worked a lot, okay? I've worked a lot, okay, everything is green, green, green. But when you actually go to the data, you can see how many hours I have worked, okay? Someday I have worked 9 hours, okay? You can see. Okay, there is okay. Someday I have worked. Okay, someday I have worked 9 hours. I have actually 3 days I have worked 9 hours. Then one day I have worked 7 hours. And Friday, Saturday I have worked 6 hours, and Friday I have worked 4 hours. So you can see that the total is 48 hours, which is okay. But I'm working full time. Okay, so I need to push more than I'm actually doing. So my benchmark is 60, which is minimum. Okay, the required that I want to reach is 12 hours every day, but it is not possible to hit 12 hours of productivity every day, because as time goes on your productivity declines. So I totally understand that. So that's why I have put the benchmark 60 and also left 1 day as a rest. Okay, so you can see when you look at the data, it removes the illusion of, oh, I'm working way too much, why I'm not getting the result. So now, so now I will explain you why should you track your time. First of all, it removes the illusion. Remove, okay, remove the illusion that you are working hard. Okay, okay, you need to understand that input is never equal to output. Okay, understand guys that you need to understand guys that we're working with uncertainty. Okay, so you need to put 10x effort to get your desired outcome. Why? Because we are dealing with uncertainty here. Okay, for example, you take 5 shots. Okay, for example, you take 5 shots, you tried 5 new things on your business. Okay, to grow your business you need to try new things. Okay, out of these 5 things that you have tried, 4 of them will fail. Okay, you will lose money, you will lose time, but this one win will recover all the losses, and plus it will give you net gain. Okay, but you never know which shot will actually give you the result. That's why you need to put 10x effort to get your desired output, because we are dealing with uncertainty. Okay, so I hope you understand. So it removes the illusion. Okay, then, okay, it removes the illusion. It helps you to set the benchmark. Okay, benchmark. Okay, that how much, you know, hour, like how much input you have to give to get your desired reality. Also, if you have ADHD like me, it helps you to sense time. So for example, I have very high ADHD. I can't really sense time. If I'm wasting, I don't really, if I don't see the time that I'm wasting, I will don't feel it. Okay, so when I see the calendar that how much time I have wasted, that I am not, you know, reaching my benchmarks, so it motivate me to, you know, reach these benchmark. Okay, without this sheet, without tracking my time, I can't really sense it, because in what I see that, oh, I'm working every day, but when I go to the data, I see, oh, I'm not really hitting the benchmark. Then I don't really deserve to complain. That's why I'm not hitting my desired outcome. You got my point? So this is the third benefit. Okay, it removes the ADHD. It helps with my ADHD to control. It make me productive. Okay, that's the conclusion that I want to give you. So yeah, guys, so this is the my whole system. If you want this system, comment down. I will create an open source GitHub repository where I will share the code and everything, and maybe I will create a tutorial how to set all this up very soon. But yeah, guys, so this is my productivity system. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.